you need to take a look at these mind-blowing survival gadgets. Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on High Tech 10s. Are you planning to spend a couple of days outdoors or go for a long trek? You sure will need some survival gear. In today's video, we will be taking a look at the most mind-blowing survival gadgets you need to see. Wishing to buy any of these cool gadgets before your next trip? Watch this video right till the end. Rhino Ready Companion Backpack. This backpack is designed for people with their own survival gear, but you need a backpack upgrade. The Rhino Ready Companion Backpack is designed for 2 people during the first 72 hours of emergency. Adaptable, compact, and ready when you need it most, the Companion Backpack is the best you can have. The backpack is fire resistant and is tailor-made for escaping dangerous situations. The exterior is capable of protecting all items stored inside your pack. The base is made of Velcro and makes it easy to grab anything from the inside. You don't need to worry about rummaging through your bag for supplies. AquaQuest Waterproof Defender Tarp. This waterproof defender tarp is an essential tool you'll need when you go hiking or trekking in rainy places. The Defender uses a very durable 70D nylon that is dual-coated with insulation. The TPU coating is very thick and rubbery. It actually blocks up the camo pattern on the underside of the tarp fabric. This combination of materials gives the Defender a waterproof rating of 20,000 millimeters. To explain it to you with an example, if there were a 65-foot tall column of water pressing down on the tarp, it would not get through the fabric. That's really awesome. With an exceptional fabric, durable waterproofing, and reinforcements at the tarp's key stress points at every intersection, we can't ask for more from such an amazing product. Fire laces. If you enjoy venturing out a lot, you already know how fun and rewarding it can be. However, there are also dangers associated with this, such as getting stranded with no help in sight. You'll need a heat source to keep you warm. Now, you can start a fire the traditional way, but how about a cool set of fire laces? The usual tip of each bootlace, called an aglet, is made of ferrocerium here and creates a spark when you strike it against an included steel plate. So wherever you go out camping, make sure you carry a pair of these amazing fire laces. EST Shovel. The EST Shovel is a really handy tool that comes with a compact carrying pouch. The shovel fits easily into any backpack. It's also easy to assemble, and its military-grade aluminum handle ensures that it won't weigh you down. A durable foam-like grip has been added, making it fun and easy to work with. The shovel has a hardened high-carbon steel spade, so it is built to last longer. The shovel also comes with some practical and important life-saving tools. You will want to keep this tool around you at all times because it's going to come in handy when a disaster strikes. The good thing about the shovel is that it is tested for camping to adventure and survival readiness. The shovel comes with a knife, compass, saw, fire starter, screwdriver, whistle, and more in its repertoire. It's a must-have. Life Bivy Emergency Sleeping Bag. Go Time Gear's Life Bivy Emergency Sleeping Bag is designed to serve as your emergency blanket, survival shelter, and survival sleeping bag all in one. Its Parisian technology drawstring combines 9-strand, 550-pound nylon core and paracord to produce the perfect combination of fiber. You also have a multi-purpose utility cord that you can use to repair gear or get a fire going, and an emergency whistle that is powerful enough to cut through trees and strong winds, notifying rescuers up to 1 mile away. The Life Bivy is also waterproof and extra durable, made of extra thick polyethylene materials which heat seal its seams to protect you from harsh weather like snow and wind. The interior protects you from hypothermia by reflecting 90% of your body temperature and sealing it in. eStream Portable Generator. If you ever get stuck in a remote location with no houses for miles, you'll need electricity to charge your phone and a flashlight for the night. The eStream Portable Generator is a great tool to have for sticky situations like these. Just drop it down a stream of moving water and anchor it properly. It will start making electricity for you. You can use it to charge your phone on the spot or save the battery for use later. The possibilities are limitless and it will always be useful. Water is the most efficient source of power, and this tool makes power 20 times faster than any other power-making tool. Even if the stream slows down, the device will be stable and safe enough to charge your phone with. It takes around 4 hours to fully charge for on-the-go power supply. Light water. Finally, the best gadget in today's video. Your water filtration tablets and iodine aren't going to last very long, but your light water will. This is a water filter tool which is compact and easy to carry. This is the ultimate filter and functions just like a normal tap. You put one end of the pipe in water and the other end in your bottle, and it takes less than a minute to fill it all the way up. Charge the kit once and you can use it to filter over 600 liters of water. It cures nearly all of the bacteria and microbes present in any water. The prices are relatively cheap, between $50 to $100 depending on the model. You'll definitely need this one whether you're outdoors for days on end. So these were some amazing survival gadgets. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.